sin. S is the sound where smiles begin. S is for sun, shining so bright, warming the world with golden light. S is for snake, slithering slow, through the grass he loves to go. He hisses clear, hello friends, I'm crawling near. S is for socks, striped and snug, wiggle your toes with a giggle and hug. Such silly feet, dancing around to the sassy beat. S is for seal on the snowy shore, sliding and splashing, splash some more. So cool and slick, sliding and flipping every trick. Let's sing and say, S is for words we learned today. Sun and snake, socks that swing, seal and smile, let's all sing. S is for star, twinkling at night, up in the sky, a sparkly sight. The stars all glow, shining above in a sparkly show. So let's sing and say, S is for words we learned today. Sun and snake, socks that swing, seal and smile, let's all sing.
Thanks for watching and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to like and share.